Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S52, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which looks like it's nowhere to be found. So I guess we have to add it by tapping on the pencil, and yep, there it is, hotspot. So what you want to do is hold it, and then you can drag it over and drop it. Go back, and it should be now, there we go. As you can see, now it's here. So before you tap on it to enable it, we will need to set it up. So hold that option, and this takes us to the settings, where you can then tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. Tap on the password. That's probably the primary thing you want to change, and either try to write down the password that is here, which is just some completely random numbers and letters, but you can change it to whatever other password you want, as long as it has 8 characters in length. Then you have hotspot name, so you could change that to if you want to. And you have also advanced, so AP band, and here you can have both of them, so 2.4 and 5. So just add the 5 as well, and this will allow you to connect to the 5 GHz one, which will be faster and more stable comparing to the 2.4. And also, if your device doesn't support the 5 GHz, then it will still have the option to use the 2.4. Then you also have maximum connections. So here you can set a limit to how many people can connect. Complete preference, so you can choose however many you want. And that's about it. From here, you can either enable hotspot from here by tapping on the toggle, or through the toggle that we have moved right over here by tapping on it. And once you're done, you do want to turn it off by just tapping on it like so. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.